Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the color of text, effects, and templates on CapCut PC. If you go to the text section here, let's go to the effects section. Now they have a lot of options, but what if, for instance, I want that text, for instance, this one, template, to be in, I don't know if you can do it on this one, to be in a different color. So I'm just going to go to colors here, or actually I can do that. And I can basically just change it to whatever color I want, like so. Here, as you can see, it changed color, sorry. And same for text template, kind of. So go to text templates and select the one you want. And for instance, you want it in a different color. Let's see if you can do it for this one. Don't know about the shape, but for the text you can definitely change it here. Go to color, and oh, this is just for the highlights. Sometimes you can't really change it, but you can use the preset style, but it's going to be, different from the text template. But some of them you can just like change the color of the text here, like for instance this one, of course you can change it. You can also change the font. So for instance, I only want to change the 15 June one. I can do that. And for the Friday one, I have to select this one to change it. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!